Sarah here, your small space specialist. Flort is an amazing set of pockets perfect for your remote controls or knitting projects. But take it to your car and put it under the car seat, stash crayons, snacks, and other little guy goodies. These guys, not just for shoes anymore. Store your cleaning products, organize your kids' rooms, or take it outside and start an herb garden. Though only 8 inches deep, IKEA's Hemnes is the perfect entryway solution. Store your shoes and gloves, or it's a catch-all for your mail and keys. Sarah here, your small space specialist with the Naglick box. Mounted to the wall vertically for your bedside table, it's sturdy enough for pantry organization, and you can paint or stain it to match your home's decor. IKEA's Compliment multi-use hanger is great for scarves and ties, but also take it to your kids' room to organize those little stuffed animals that are always all over the toy room. Showing off IKEA's Raskog cart. Use it as a dorm room bedside table, a portable cleaning cart, or my personal favorite, a bar cart. Highlighting IKEA's Ribba series. It's a great way to streamline kids' artwork using the same color frame. Or create a gallery wall to keep your eye looking up. IKEA screw-hour pots are an obvious, adorable choice for potted plants. But have you thought of storing your makeup brushes, lotions, or candles? Don't let deep cabinets or corner cabinets hold you back from maximizing your space. The Snuda, or Lazy Susan, is an oldie but a goodie for accessing things in the back. Smaller trays are great for placing items on them for easy retrieval in tight spaces like above your refrigerator, your microwave, or under your bed. Or how about using them for a boot tray? In tight spaces, it's imperative to organize up. These Verrier shelves are a great way to double up on space. Use them in your cabinets or closets. The Verrier flatware tray is great for those junk drawers. Despite the name, drawers holding tiny items can be useful. Don't be ashamed, just get it organized. Sarah here, your small space specialist, getting you to think outside the box when it comes to vases. An elegant way to display flowers or your kitchen utensils. I love wall organizers. It's a great way to maximize height, easily access your utensils, spices, and oils, or take it to your classroom and organize your arts and crafts. Sarah here, your small space specialist, proving to you that these aren't just for papers and books anymore. Take them to your kitchen to organize plastic lids, cutting boards, and aluminum foil and plastic wrap. IKEA's Firm wine rack isn't only for housing life's most precious of liquids, but also think of it as creative wall storage for towels, magazines, or kids' shoes. For more, check us out at nesters.com.